Clone app in Samsung, app clone in Samsung. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can clone apps on Samsung Galaxy, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to clone applications on your Samsung Galaxy device, it's actually quite very simple to do so. But first of all, just open up the settings application. There is one way that you can do it is by simply using a dual messenger feature. So when you go to advanced features inside settings, then you scroll down, you'll find one option here that says dual messenger, which will allow you to create two separate applications of the same app so that you can use two different accounts. So in this case, let's say I want to create a second copy of Instagram, for example. I will turn on Instagram here. I can tap on install, that is install a second copy of Instagram. So when I tap on install, another copy of Instagram will get created and I can log into two different accounts using that same app. This way you should be able to clone app in Samsung. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the very end and see you soon in our next video.